Welcome back to QuickTracker. Now that your expenses have been entered into the system, let's take a look at the different reports available to help you review and analyze your business expenses. QuickTracker gives you several ways to organize and view your financial information. To access your reports, go to the Reports menu located at the top of the application. Let's begin with the Expenses report. QuickTracker allows you to generate expense reports using different criteria. This makes it easier to analyze where your business money is going. For example, you can view expenses based on the payment method used. From the Payment Method report, select the payment method you want to review, or select All to include every payment method. You can also choose the period of time you want to analyze. Once your selections are made, click Retrieve Data. QuickTracker will display the matching expense transactions, including information such as the date, vendor, expense category, payment method, amount, description, and other available information. At the bottom of the report, QuickTracker automatically calculates the grand total for the expenses currently displayed. This allows you to quickly see not only the individual transactions, but also the total amount spent during the selected period. You can also generate reports based on your expense categories. This can be especially useful when you want to determine how much your business is spending on categories, such as utilities, office expenses, software, fuel, supplies, or other business expenses. Another useful option is the vendor report. The vendor report allows you to see how much money your business has spent with each vendor. You can view all vendors together or select an individual vendor when you need more detailed information. You can also choose a period you want to review, such as year-to-date. QuickTracker will then calculate and display the total amount associated with each vendor. This can be helpful when reviewing your spending patterns and identifying the vendors that represent a significant portion of your business expenses. QuickTracker also provides employee-related reports when you need to review expenses associated with your employees. In addition to viewing information directly on the screen, many QuickTracker reports can be printed or generated as PDF documents. Simply select the appropriate PDF or print option from the report. This gives you a professional document that you can save electronically, print for your records, or provide to your accountant or tax professional. QuickTracker also includes financial statements. From the accounting section, you can access reports such as your income statement and other financial information based on records you have entered into QuickTracker. When generating a financial statement, select the appropriate reporting period and allow QuickTracker to calculate the information using the financial records stored in the system. The report can then be exported to PDF. Choose the location where you want to save the document. Enter the file name if necessary, and click Save. Your report is now available as a PDF document that you can keep with your business records or share when needed. The important thing to remember is that once your income and expenses have been entered and properly categorized, QuickTracker can use that information to give you a much clearer picture of your business activity. Instead of searching through individual transactions, you can use reports to quickly review expenses by category, payment method, vendor, employee, reporting period, and other available options. And with QuickTracker's financial statements, you can take the information you've entered and turn it into useful financial reports for your business. This is one of the main benefits of keeping your records organized in QuickTracker. Organize, track, manage, grow. QuickTracker also provides visual tools that make it easier to understand your business finances at a glance. Here, you can compare your income versus your expenses, giving you a quick picture of how your business is performing. QuickTracker also provides additional charts that help you understand where your money is going. You can visually analyze your expenses by categories, vendors, payment methods, and other available options. These diagrams make it easier to identify your largest expenses, recognize spending patterns, and better understand how your money is being used. Instead of looking only at numbers, QuickTracker turns your financial information into simple visual reports that are easier to understand. With QuickTracker, you don't just track your money. You can see where it comes from, where it goes, and get a clearer picture of your business finances. Thank you for using QuickTracker.